Namaste friends, good evening. Myself Aradhya from class 5th. Today's topic is bird. A bird is a warm-blooded vertebrates belong to class Aves family. Okay, let's start our questions. Our first question is, what is the national bird of India? Peacock is the national bird of India. The peacock is the national bird of India. Okay. Next question is, which bird is the national bird of Nepal? The national bird of Nepal is Himalayan monal. The national bird of Nepal is the Himalayan monal. Okay. After that, the next question is, which bird is the national bird of the Malaysia? The national bird of the Malaysia is rhinoceros hornbill. The national bird of Malaysia is the rhinoceros hornbill. And the next question is, which bird is the state bird of Delhi? The state bird of the Delhi is house sparrow. The state bird of the Delhi is the house sparrow. And the next is, which bird is the state bird of Bihar? The state bird of the Bihar is also house sparrow. The state bird of Bihar is house sparrow. Okay. Next is, what is the state bird of Uttar Pradesh? The state bird of Uttar Pradesh is Saras crane. The state bird of Uttar Pradesh is Saras crane. Okay. After that, the next is, what is the state bird of Jharkhand? The state bird of the Jharkhand is Koyal. Next is Rajasthan. Which bird is the state bird of Rajasthan? The Great Indian Bustard Bird is the state bird of Rajasthan, and these birds are found in the deserts of Rajasthan. Okay. The next question is, which bird has the longest bill of all of the birds? And its answer is Australian pelican. This bird has 0.47 meter long its bill. Okay. And bill is a beak of a bird. Okay. Next, after that is, which bird is only have the nostril at the end of its beak? The kiwi has the nostril at the end of beak. Okay. Next question is, what is incubation? Incubation refers to the process in which an egg hatches. Okay. Next question is, what is falconry? The keeping or training of falcons for hunting, known as falconry. Next is, which bird is the fastest swimmer? The fastest swimmer is the Gunti swimmer, Gunti penguin. The fastest swimmer is Gunti penguin, and its speed is 36 km per hour. And the next is, what is the bird's heartbeat? The bird's heartbeat while they are resting is 400 times per minute, and while flying 1000 times per minute. Okay. And the next is, who is the fastest bird on the earth? Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird on the earth. Peregrine falcon is the fastest bird on the earth, and its speed is 389 km per hour. And the next is, highest flying bird. Which bird is the highest flying bird? The highest flying bird is the griffon vulture. The griffon vulture. Okay. The next is, the slowest flying bird. The slowest flying bird is the slowest slowest flying bird is the American woodcock. American woodcock. And the next is which bird is the smallest flightless bird? The smallest flightless bird is island rail. Island rail. Okay. And next is which bird is the heaviest bird? The Adelie condor is the heaviest bird and their weight is 15 kg. And next is which parrot family is flightless? The kakapo parrot. Okay. The next is which bird are the longest living bird? The kakapo parrot. Okay. The kakapo parrot is the longest living bird. Next is what is the weight of kakapo bird? Kakapo is a parrot. The kakapo parrot weight is about 4 kg. And the next is which bird is placed on a flag and a currency of a country? And its answer is Quetzalcoatl, and it is placed on the flag and currency of Guatemala. Guatemala. It is in North American country. Okay, let's start. And also its capital is Guatemala City. Guatemala City. And the next is nocturnal birds. What are nocturnal birds? The birds that sleep in day but active at night are called nocturnal birds. And the next is what is the largest pigeon in the world? What is the largest pigeon in the world? The largest pigeon in the world is the Victoria crowned pigeon. The Victoria crowned pigeon. And the next is largest bird. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich. And next is smallest bird. The smallest bird in the world is hummingbird. Hummingbird. And hummingbird can also fly backward. Thank you. Namaste. Stay home. Be safe.